Welcome, guys. Like I said the other time, the part one of Microsoft Excel. So we move into this type of operators. Actually, what is operator? Operator specify the type of calculation that you want to perform on the elements of a formula, that is sign or symbols that specify the type of calculation to perform within an expression. So actually, that's the beauty of Excel or spreadsheet package. You can actually use it to perform calculations, use it to visualize data. We have discussed that in part one of this video. So this is the part two. The first operator is arithmetic operator. So when we talk about arithmetics, to perform basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, or multiplication, or you can combine numbers and produce numerical results. So you use the following arithmetic. So this sign is the plus sign is used for addition. This minus sign, the IV, is used for subtraction, and this forward slash is used for division, and this asterisk is used for multiplication. So don't go and make mistake by pressing the letter X. So if you are pressing letter X, this one will not perform. It won't perform multiplication for you. It is the asterisk that performs multiplication. So, comparison, it is used to compare two values and produce a logical value. So, when we talk about comparison, this one means greater than or equal to, and this one means less than or equal to. So, it's a range. Intention of this is that the range of E2 now is that for this value, for example, if E2 is greater than or equal to, you can say give F, like for example, in grading, that's still going to do the practical. So, for example, the range of this thing is if E2 is greater than or equal to, that is from uh, 20 to infinity. That is the range, the meaning of that. If E2 is greater than, also is less than, we use it in grading. So if if total score in an exam is equal to 70 or greater than 70 and less than 100, give a value to the person in grading. So that's why we normally use comparison operator. Reference operator, combine ranges. So if you want to combine range, you want to range different feeds. That is what we use reference operator for. So test concatenation is used the ampersand. This is the ampersand sign. This ampersand sign, you should remember, is used to join or concatenate what you have in one field, one column, together with the content of two columns together in one column. So that is what we use concatenated for. And the if statement is used to ascertain result from a particular set of group. So before we go to the next slide, let's quickly perform the operation on our Excel sheet that I have already included in the files you downloaded on this training. So let's open the mathematical this MSAT. So for example, now we want to look into unit profit. The unit profit will be what? The quantity to and the unit price. So the unit price, what I'm going to do is that you divide the quantity by this number. You divide the quantity. So two quantities was, this is the unit price. So the unit price, to look at unit profits now is as simple as this unit price multiplied by, what is it called now? Multiply by the quantity. So, and then you divide it by 2. You look at that is your new unit profit. So you can divide by 2 or you remove it by from here. So whatever how you want to do your formula, but this is how I do mine. For me to get your unit profits on this, I have to look into, I have to get the difference between the unit price and the selling price. So the unit selling price, so maybe we just put unit selling price, unit selling price. So as unit selling price, this unit order price or unit price. So to get unit profits now, you subtract this from this. So to do that, every formula must be started with equal to formula, equal to, so this, which is E6 minus this, which is D6, then you press